Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up all important files and photos before you change settings. Verify cloud backups and local copies on external drives or USB sticks. Locate the administrator account and any parental control account credentials now. Check linked email addresses and phone numbers for account recovery access. Make a list of every device you plan to change, including operating systems and versions. Identify the router make and model and any installed parental control apps. Understand that factory resets remove settings and may require reinstalling apps and data. On Windows, open Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other users, then sign in as the administrator. Remove or change the child account and disable Microsoft Family features and content filters. On Mac OS, open System Settings, choose Screen Time, select the Managed User, and turn off content limits. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, Screen Time, enter the Screen Time passcode, then turn off restrictions. On Android, open Settings, Google Parental Controls, and disable the Family Link controls or remove the linked child profile. On Chromebook, sign in, open Family Link, and revoke supervision from the child account. Access your router by entering its IP address into a browser and signing in as admin. Locate the parental control or content filtering section and disable filters or delete managed device profiles. Uninstall or log out of third-party parental control apps and remove their device management permissions. Reset passwords for any accounts that enabled controls and turn off two-factor methods if they block recovery. If you cannot regain access, use account recovery options or contact your internet or app provider support. As a last resort, perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.